everyone, welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors. Today we are making something super quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious vegetable couscous. Let's start by prepping the couscous. I've taken about 2 cups and added it to a large bowl. In a separate pan, I'm heating water just enough to soak it and adding a little oil and a pinch of salt. Once the water comes to boil, I'm pouring it directly over the couscous. No need to cook it on the stove. I prefer this method because boiling couscous can easily overcook it and turn it mushy. Now, I'll just cover it up and let it soak and fluff up on its own. While the couscous is soaking, let's get our veggies ready. I'm dicing some carrots and potatoes into small, even pieces so they cook quickly. Next, chopping up an onion finely so it blends well into the mix. Along with that, I've got some frozen peas, a handful of sweet corn, and a mix of colorful bell peppers, all chopped and ready to go. Now, in a pan, I'm heating a bit of oil. I like to use virgin olive oil for that light and healthy flavor. Feel free to use whatever vegetable you have on hand. The more colorful, the better. First, in go the carrots and potatoes. Since they take a little longer to cook, give them a good stir and let them soften slightly. Once they've cooked a bit, I'm adding in the chopped onions, peas, sweet corn, and those lovely bell peppers. Sprinkle some salt to help the veggies release their moisture and stir everything together. Cook this on medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the veggies are tender but still have a slight crunch. We want them cooked, not soggy. Once the veggies are nicely cooked, I'm taking them out and setting them aside on a plate for now. Now, in the same pan, I'm adding just a little more oil. No need to overdo it. And into that goes some grated garlic, jeera seeds, and black mustard seeds. Not everyone adds garlic in couscous recipes, but I absolutely love that flavor it brings. It gives a warm, earthy kick that pairs so well with the veggies. Now, let's check on our couscous. Just take a fork and gently scrape through it. Look at that. It's perfectly fluffed up and light. This is exactly why I don't boil couscous. Soaking it gives you this soft, separate grains that don't turn sticky. So go ahead and fluff it all up using your fork. No lumps, no mush, just airy, beautiful couscous ready to soak in all the flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. I'm adding the cooked veggies back into the pan and then spooning in the fluffed up couscous. This veg couscous is not just tasty, it's full of goodness. You've got fiber from the veggies, plant based protein, and complex carbs that keep you full and energized. Give everything a gentle toss. Mix well so that all the flavors coat the couscous evenly, but be careful not to mash it. You can serve it straight from the pan, fresh and hot. The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel for more quick, healthy, and delicious meal ideas.